everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and here you're gonna see my views, my ideas on life, fashion, beauty, and yes, there is a little bit of motherhood also in it. I'll say a little bit because I have not yet started topics on motherhood, speaking on motherhood. So yes, before I start with what I'm going to say today, I would request all of you, to all those who are listening to me, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so let's start. Today this is a very spontaneous video. I haven't prepared anything. This was a thought I got at 12 a.m. midnight that I will upload something, like speak something on something which is called mom life. Hashtag mom life. Now this has a very the definition, there is no definition to mom life, because no mom is perfect, no child is perfect, but when they get together it makes a perfect relationship. It's a perfect bond. It has so much of attachment, but at the same time it is a roller coaster ride. Now that roller coaster is super fast, sometimes super slow, and what to say, it's a hell of a mix of everything. There is anger, there is a lot of crying, sometimes there is frustration. Okay, so I am a mom, and I became a mom at a very young age, wherein before I could even dream, what kind of clothes I will buy for my little one, or any dream about your coming child. Now everyone, when they hear the news, they are very happy. Okay, I'm going to become a mom, and I'll do this, but I had no time to plan all those things. So mine was a complete surprise, and I have got a lot of jokes on that, and I have so many friends making fun of that, but I have enjoyed every bit of my child's childhood. And my son is 7 years old, and this video is definitely dedicated to him. So I would like to thank God for making me enjoy the journey of motherhood. Also, whenever you are taking care of your child, you feel frustrated, you feel irritated at times, you feel, why the hell this thing is happening to me, all the hell lot of problems are coming to me only, and I'm not getting time to do my nail polish, I'm not getting time to get ready, I am having bad hair days because of my child, he is not sleeping, I'm missing out my series, my Netflix. Sometimes he's not eating well, he gets sick, so I become sad, and everything, the entire day happens. And in the end of the day, when you're making him sleep, okay, I love to make him sleep, and that is something I feel is a very good, I feel fortunate to be the only one who's like, my child needs me. When he says that I can sleep only with mama, that is like, it is an award for me at the end of the day. And at the end of the day, when he just kisses me once on the cheeks and he said that, mama, I love you, all the feelings, all the frustrations, all the anger, all the irritation that happened the entire day vanishes, like, in a fraction of a second. So this is what I like about mom life. Now the best thing about mom life is I feel so fortunate when I get that kiss on the cheek. But yes, to get that appreciation, to get that expression of love from your child at the end of the day, when at 10 p.m. he isn't even asleep and you're expecting him to sleep at 8, and you are wondering when he'll sleep, I'll do this, I'll do that, and by the time he sleeps you are almost asleep and you don't have any energy, you have zero energy to do any work apart from sleeping besides him in this little space where he is kicking you the entire night. So I think every mom can relate to this, and every mom is experiencing this, and this is a shout out to every mom out there who all are struggling to make their child healthy, upbring their child in a very super intelligent manner. They are trying to make their child religious in some aspects, and they're trying to make their child good in sports, in other activities. Every mom is struggling towards making their child near to perfect individuals when they grow up. So I feel mothers are the best souls God has created, not because I am a mother, but I feel, and the only thing I realize, some things are there which I realize only after I became a mom. When my mom says, "Beta, come home early," I'm tensed. "Beta, what are you doing?" I'm tensed. You should give at least one call. I can relate to that now, because now when I am a mom, I feel yes, what it is, and when my mom used to tell me that, I used to think, "Mama, why is she so worried? I can take care of myself. It's okay if she doesn't call me. It's okay if I miss calling her once, if I'm going to get late for home." But yes, when I know that my child has gone for a trip, and when he doesn't come at 4, when as informed in the circular, if it takes 4:15, I know how it feels. So all my love and regards to all the moms out there who are my friends, to all those who are not my friends, but I really respect them for what they are doing. All mothers are doing an amazing job. So I love you all. And also all the kids out there, you are all such adorable souls that how much ever we try, but we cannot get irritated or get tired of you, because such cute, beautiful souls God has created. So we all moms together, let's look forward to raising amazing children in future, and I'm sure our children will support us in doing this, in this journey. And one tip is, if you want to get that loving kiss at the end of the day, you have to, the entire day, you have to climb that mountain of hard work, struggle, a little bit of irritation, anger, and doing a hell lot of things together. So I think I've spoken enough. I planned only 2 minutes, but it is almost like so much. So if you like watching me, if you like this video, please stay tuned for more such videos, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Ta-da!